guys, new video. This time I picked up this off of Finn. It was for free. It is a Geneva combined DAB radio and Bluetooth speaker. And what I was told is it had been working perfectly for, well, forever, ever since it was new. But now it will not turn on. So I figured, hey, that could be something to, oh, well, there is some sort of life in it, because when I just plugged it in there, just got a couple of those latches, I guess you could call them. I'm going to try and see if I can get it on camera. But I could see that the display flashed off. If I can just do this without really seeing. It should be up in the upper right hand corner. If I just can figure it out, so it should be up here. This is hard doing. There. I don't know if you saw that, but it did click. It just said that it wouldn't power on anymore. I got a power brick, came along with it, and this is, I forgot to check, it's a 5.5 volt plus on center. It's actually rated at 2 amps. Well, a maximum of 2 amps. I guess you could say. And let's see if we can measure something on the good old fluke. So plus on center. It's reading 5.7 volts. So that's, we know the power brick is just fine. And I gotta check where this thing plugs in. So it's got a couple of jacks on the back here. Power in. What I can see is that the center pin seems to be a little bit deformed, so I'm guessing it's had a little bit of a rough life. I'm not expecting anything to happen, even though... Okay. Huh. I'm gonna turn the volume down a little bit, because this is one of the, well, it's the biggest radio station in Norway. But this thing works just fine. Well, that was a little bit disappointing. Yep, it scans the stations just fine. NRJ. There we go. This is my station. P10 Country. I'm gonna try and see if I can so let's turn it off. Let me just see if I can connect it to a Bluetooth. Ah. Now it should be pairing, or should be popping up in my it's in pairing mode. There, Geneva XS is the name of this one. Geneva XS Sound System. So it's connected. I'm just gonna play a song I really like. Oh.
If tomorrow all the things were gone, I'd work for all my life.
And I am of course not gonna play that, but I'll link that song. It's by Home Free, and well, the song this is the album which I bought is from Home Free, but the song is not by Home Free, written by Home Free. And the songwriter is also performing in this along with Home Free, and of course also the United States Marine Corps, I believe it is, in the video, so I'll link the video down in the video description. But yeah, well, so this one has line in, it has FM, Bluetooth, and and dub. So yeah, no repair needed. Ain't that fun? Catch you in the next video, guys.